Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to adjust your blade to its optimal cutting position. First, make sure your trimmer is turned off and unplugged. Grab the Allen key, screwdriver, and wrench included in the provided toolkit. Remove the top cover, upper frame, tumbler, and belt cover. Grab a piece of paper and slide it between the bed bar blade and the reel blade. You should feel slight friction, but the piece of paper must be able to slide in between. As you can see here, the piece of paper is stuck between the bed bar blade and the reel blade. Let's adjust the blade. With the Allen key, loosen the blade set screws on each side, but don't remove them. Use the screwdriver to hold the blade adjuster, then loosen both locking nuts with the wrench. To move the blade closer to the reel blade, twist the screwdriver to the left. We suggest a quarter to half turn first. Tighten the blade set screw. Now try again to slide the piece of paper between the blades. Repeat this process until your blade is properly adjusted. Make sure you hold the blade adjuster with the screwdriver while locking the nuts. If you don't, you'll end up changing the blade position while trying to tighten the nuts. You can also carefully manually turn the reel blade to make sure it doesn't get caught on the bed bar blade. Once you've properly adjusted the blade, you can now tighten the locking nuts. Tighten the locking nuts closer to you first, then the ones closer to the blade. Once tight, spin the reel blade forwards again to make sure nothing moved during your adjustment. And that's it! You should now have your blade properly set for an optimal cutting experience. If any of these steps do not work, do not turn on the machine. Call tech support 604-458-0341.